Metal wine rack for tabletop bottle organization and storage. Wave design features recessed bottle holders that prevent rolling, tipping, or slipping. Space-saving design can be stacked up to 3 tiers for expanded storage. Durable steel construction with smooth finish. No assembly required. Amazon Basics Tabletop Stackable Wine Rack. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to stack. I like that you can buy just the number of levels that you need to fit your space. And they nest together perfectly. One did not fit flat until wine bottles were placed on it and they nested nicely into the rack below it. Some have asked if these could be suspended from beneath cabinets. Well, I guess it is possible, but it would involve drilling holes in each rack and installing bolts, and I would worry that with the weight of the wine bottles that the top rack might be overstressed and give way. These are designed to be stacked, not suspended, and in this configuration they work perfectly.